Hey everyone, my name is Daniel.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
Welcome back.
We're so happy you're here.
Today we're going to have a fun conversation.
Yes, we're talking about our favorite childhood birthday gifts.
I think everyone remembers at least one special birthday.
I agree. Some gifts stay in our hearts forever.
Let's talk about it.
Sounds great.
Daniel, can I ask you something?
Of course.
What was your favorite birthday gift when you were a kid?
Oh, that's easy.
Really?
Yes, my favorite gift was a bright red bicycle.
A bicycle. Nice.
I still remember the day I got it.
Tell me the story.
I was turning 8 years old. My parents told me we were just having a small birthday dinner.
So you didn't expect a big surprise?
Not at all.
What happened?
After dinner, my dad said, "Come outside for a minute."
That sounds exciting already.
I walked outside, and there it was.
The bicycle?
Yes, it had a red frame, white tires, and a little silver bell.
Wow, that sounds beautiful.
I couldn't believe it. I just stood there smiling.
Did you cry?
Just a little.
That's okay. Happy tears are the best.
Exactly. I hugged my mom and dad so many times.
Did you know how to ride a bike?
Not really.
So you had to learn.
Yes, my dad spent hours teaching me.
Did you fall?
Oh, many times.
Really?
Yes, I scraped my knees again and again.
Ouch.
It hurt, but I never wanted to quit.
That's a good attitude.
One afternoon, I finally rode across the street without falling.
That must have felt amazing.
It did. I felt like I could do anything.
That's a wonderful memory.
What about you, Daniel? Mine is a little different.
I'm listening. My favorite birthday gift was a video game system.
Really?
Yes, I wanted one for almost 2 years.
That's a long wait.
It was. My parents kept saying, maybe next year.
Parents love saying that.
They really do.
So what happened?
On my 10th birthday, I opened a small box.
Was it inside?
No, it was just a birthday card.
Oh, no.
I thought, well, maybe next year again.
That's disappointing.
Then my mom smiled and said, look behind the couch.
No way.
Yes way.
What did you see?
A big wrapped box.
I already know what it was.
I opened it as fast as I could.
And?
It was the game system.
That's awesome.
I was jumping around the living room.
I can imagine that.
I think I thanked my parents 20 times.
Probably more than 20.
You're probably right.
What was the first game you played?
A racing game.
Were you good?
Not even close.
Really?
I kept crashing into walls.
That's funny.
My little cousin laughed at me the whole afternoon.
Did he play better?
Much better.
Kids learn so fast.
They really do.
What about you? Did you always have birthday parties?
Yes, but they were simple.
Mine too.
We had cake, pizza, and a few friends.
Same here.
Sometimes simple birthdays are the best.
I agree.
We didn't need expensive decorations.
Or giant parties.
We just wanted to have fun together.
That's true.
Did you keep your bicycle for a long time?
Almost 7 years.
Wow.
It became too small for me.
What happened to it?
My parents gave it to my younger cousin.
That's nice.
She loved it just as much as I did.
That makes the story even sweeter.
Do you still have your game system?
I do.
Really?
It's in a box at my parents' house.
Does it still work?
Last time I checked, yes.
That's amazing.
Sometimes I play it just for fun.
Does it bring back memories?
Every single time.
I know that feeling.
It's funny.
What is?
We don't always remember every birthday,
That's true.
but we remember the feelings,
Yes.
the excitement,
The surprise.
the laughter.
And the people we shared those moments with.
Exactly.
If you could go back to one birthday, which one would you choose?
My 10th birthday.
Just because of the game system?
Not only that,
Then why?
my whole family was together.
That's special.
My grandparents were there too.
Family memories are priceless.
They really are. What about you?
I'd go back to my 8th birthday.
To ride your new bicycle again?
Yes.
Anything else?
I'd love to hear my dad cheering for me one more time.
That's really touching.
He always believed in me.
Those words stay with us forever.
They really do.
So, Olivia, what do you think makes a birthday gift special?
I don't think it's the price.
Me neither.
It's the love behind it.
Well said. A small gift can mean so much, especially when it comes from someone who cares about you.
Exactly.
This conversation made me smile.
Me too.
It's nice to remember happy moments.
Sometimes old memories make us feel young again,
That's true.
and they remind us to be thankful.
I couldn't agree more.
Well, that's all for today.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation.
Now it's your turn.
What was your favorite childhood birthday gift?
Think about it in English.
Try saying your answer out loud.
Speaking every day helps you improve.
Thank you so much for learning English with us.
Keep practicing,
Keep smiling.
and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye.